Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag GViswanathan's challenge, question number 32, longest consecutive subsequence. Well, the last question which I took wasn't easy, so this is a quite tough question. Well, okay, first of all, happy Diwali to everyone. This festival of light brings love and joy to you and your loved ones. In this question, you are given an array of numbers and you just need to give the maximum possible consecutive subsequence. Well, this is called a consecutive and this is a subsequence. Means your number can be random, but it should be a consecutive, like ek ke baad ek. And see, the problem in this question is you need to do in O of n time complexity. So for that, I have used hash set. Okay, by the way, I need to see the solution on the internet. This is not the exact solution, but the approach I have like copied from somebody else code. So according to which you just need to make an hash set, then put all the elements in it and then iterate over the array. And then after iterating, if that, okay, leave this line, it's not that important. Basically, if hash set it didn't contain the one number before the current number, for example it's 1, and if it's not there 0, then this number 1 is the starting, like it's the starting of the new subsequence. And after getting that number, you just use while loop to actually iterate over the subsequence, and as soon as this while loop ended, you will result in a new subsequence with the length. Okay, so okay, you just see the code. So this is the space and time complexity which I got. So thank you for watching the video and I will post more videos.